Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. Everything has issues. When I was born, I had issues. When I started my career, it also had issues. And every GitHub repo also has issues. So, everyone wanted to get these issues fixed with AI, which led to a new benchmark being formed, and that was named SWE-Bench. SWE-Bench is a bunch of tests for an AI LLM to solve real-world GitHub issues. But just like us, none of the AIs were able to solve more than 3% of these issues. But when Devin was announced, it used the same AI models, added web searching and code editing capabilities, and threw these AI models out of the ground by scoring 13.86%. And when everyone saw this, they thought, why not create an open source alternative to Devin? This led to multiple projects being made such as OpenDevin, Devika, AutoGen, and whatnot. But today, we have a new challenger, and that is SWE-Agent. So today we'll be looking at it and finding out if it's worth it. SWE-Agent is not typical Devin. You cannot prompt it to create a game of life or satisfy your ego, but you can give it a GitHub issue URL and it can try to get it fixed. According to their page, they claim that it can score 12.29% in the SWE bench. Pretty amazing. They accomplish these results by designing simple LM-centric commands and specially built input and output formats to make it easier for the LM to browse the repository, view, edit, and execute code files. They call this the Agent Computer Interface, ACI, and build the SWE-Agent repository to make it easy to iterate on ACI design for repository-level coding agents. Looking at these charts, it looks pretty amazing. They have already shared the code on GitHub, while the paper covering the idea in depth will be available soon. Let's check out the demo that they have published. FYI, it is a pre-prompted demo, and you cannot input custom issues as of now. Now, here's an issue that happened on pvlib GitHub repo. The issue is about something relating to a weather issue. I am not fully aware of this repo, so I can't understand it, but let's see how it resolves it. In the next step, it starts addressing the issue and copies the issue into a text file. Then it tries to replicate the bug first. Now, the error has been successfully reproduced, and it understands what the error is about and starts fixing it. It searches for all the files with the syntax that's giving the errors and opens the files. Then, in the next steps, it fixes it and runs it to check if it has been fixed. It checks that it has been fixed and pushes the code back. This is awesome. It is fully automated and does not require anything from the user. It can even run the programs and check for output. Also, it only works with GPT and Anthropic. You can use the commands to get it installed and try it yourself. Overall, this is a pretty good execution of something like Devin. I hope this gets pretty big and helps in resolving GitHub issues. And things like OpenDevin and Devika can also take inspiration from this. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment if you liked this project and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye.